Today we are designing our own 3D hot chocolate mug. These are the supplies that you're going to need. We've got papers, markers, oil pastels, scissors, a glue stick, and some cotton balls. The first step is to take your white paper and fold it in half, hot dog style. Then you're going to go ahead and cut it down the line. For your background, you're going to take construction paper, and I drew a table on mine. I started with a horizontal line that goes across the bottom third, adding some cute little chocolate chip cookies to a plate. You can decorate your background in any way that you think is cozy and holiday themed. Next, I'm going to design my mug on one of the halves of white piece of paper, adding some snowflakes, some cute little red and green designs. Now I am making a handle. I drew a bubble letter C, and now I'm going to cut that out. This was my extra white piece of paper, that other half. Alright, now we are going to put it all together. So the first thing I'm going to do is bend my hot cocoa mug design and put some glue on one end so that it sticks together. We want it to be a nice cylinder like a real cup. Next, we're going to attach our cup to the paper. So you can see me putting glue on there, and make sure it's all stuck down. Glue on the handle. I folded my handle a little bit to give it a tab for the glue to stick to. Hold it until it's dry, and then we are going to stretch some cotton balls. This is to create the steam on the hot cocoa. And then we're just going to glue that stretched out cotton ball on. Put some on the mug, on the background. And there it is, a 3D hot cocoa mug of your own design.